Hello, this video is one I've been planning for a long time. I hope it will give you good lettering inspiration as you practice creating your own letters. I did a series on Instagram called Letters with Lids, where I lettered every letter of the alphabet in 10 ways using a different pen for each letter. In this video, I've compiled all of them together so you can see them in one place. I will add links and timestamps to all of the pens in the description box so you can see what they all are. But first, I want to share a resource I've created to show you how to hand letter the alphabet in unique lettering styles. It's important to look at inspiration, but nothing will come of it unless you are putting your own pen to paper. And sometimes we need a little bit of help to do that. So in my new Skillshare class, I've laid out the simple techniques that I've used for so long to create unique styles. In the class, I've given you a workbook with a cheat sheet to creating letters, along with these practice sheets that you see me using here to help you get started. If you've never heard of Skillshare, it's really awesome. I have several classes there. You can use my link below to give you 2 months for free to try it out and take any class you want. So to learn a little bit more about my new class, here is the quick intro. Hello lettering friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and in this class I'm going to teach you how to letter the whole alphabet by experimenting with unique lettering styles. Maybe you've been learning lettering for a little while and you've been practicing a basic font, but you're ready to start creating your own fonts. The best part of hand lettering is that it's done by hand and you get to choose what it looks like. I'm going to give you specific techniques to experiment with unique styles so you can start creating your own letters. In the resource section of this class, you will find some practice sheets. If you are on the desktop, you can download these. In the worksheets, there is an easy cheat sheet you can follow for changing up your styles, and a couple of pages of style examples to practice and get you started. The practice sheets are best suited for small brush pens, but for your own style exploration, you can choose any pen. You're going to see me use lots of different pens because different pens give different styles, so choose your favorite pen or one that makes you the happiest right now. The goal by the end of this class is for you to be able to create unique letters and alphabets that you can feel proud of without needing to use practice sheets or copying an example. By the end, you will learn how to letter a quote in a unique style that you created. If you're ready to start creating your own unique alphabets, let's get started. All right, I am going to leave you with the alphabet inspiration. These are not in real time since that was way too long to fit on YouTube, but you can pause on some that you love. Also, at around letter K, I started leaving the sound on. So if you don't like the sound of brush pens on paper, just mute the video for the rest of the time. Some of them are not as squeaky as others, so some might not be too bad. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy these letters, and I hope you check out my Skillshare class so it can be a helpful resource for you. I appreciate you being here. See you next time.